Hello, in this video, we're going to talk about the respiratory system. The first, let's see the organs in the respiratory system. The organs in the respiratory systems are the nose, which is a passage for air. We have the epiglottis that prevent the food from entering the airways. We have the pharynx. We have the larynx, which is also known as a voice box. We have the trachea. We have the bronchi. We have primary, secondary, and tertiary bronchi. And we have the alveoli, which are air sacs for gas exchange. So the pharynx is divided into three parts. We have the nasopharynx, we have the oropharynx, and we have the laryngopharynx. So when the air is circulating into our airways, so we have it comes first through our nose, or there are also people who are mouth breather. So we can also put the mouth into the respiratory system because some people breathe through their mouth, principally when they are sleeping. So we have the nose or the mouth is where the air come in our uh, respiratory system, and the nose has some elevation and groove, also the meatus and the concave. And we have, when it's passed through our nose, it comes into the pharynx and then low go into the larynx and then further into the trachea. And here you have the carina here, which is we divide the trachea into two branches, which are the bronchi. We have here the primary bronchi, and the air flows into the primary bronchi through the secondary, tertiary till it reaches the alveoli. The alveoli or air sac, where the gas exchange occur between the capillaries and the lung, which is the alveoli. And this happened by passive transport, where we have through pressure, where the oxygen or the carbon dioxide goes from a place where there is a from a place from high concentration to a place of low concentration. So in this case, in the case of oxygen, it passes from the lung, the alveoli, which contain a high amount of oxygen, from the blood vessel, the capillaries, which has the low concentration of oxygen, and then the red blood cells carry that oxygen throughout the body. And in the case of carbon dioxide, we know that our body or the capillaries are charged with the carbon dioxide, and it goes from high to low in the lung, which is low in carbon dioxide, and then it would it got breathe out, which in a process called expiration. So this is how the different organs of the respiratory system and how the the oxygen exchange or air gas exchange occur. Thank you for watching.